And then the next day or the day after, law enforcement will come and chase us back into the tunnel. And law enforcement, they wait till winter time and they come and take all your stuff. Governments, yeah. And they've got a problem with the homeless in Cape Town. So it seems the government decided the quickest way to get rid of them is kill them off. So they send people out, take your ID number, everything, we're going to help you, we're going to help you. 2 days later, law enforcement comes and take all your sleeping stuff. In the winter. In summer they don't bother with you much. Between December and before 2 days before Christmas till the 5th, till the 20th of January, 3 times I took everything I owned in this life. All my clothes, all my sleeping stuff, everything. I don't like those people. And it's not like it was stuff that was a little building officer I put up. So in the papers, government this year they gave 600 million towards the homeless. Oh yeah, I wish I could get a part of it. I didn't give a cent of that. Didn't see one blanket for government, one food parcel,